Welcome back to Naughty AA! This is the second episode of the First Time Try series. So today, we're going to make Jamoon cake. Let's see if it turns out good on our first try. Okay guys, to make the Jamoon cake, we'll need to make the cake and the sugar syrup to put on top of the cake. So to make the cake, we'll need wet ingredients and dry ingredients. And to make the sugar syrup, we'll need some other ingredients. Okay guys, I'm going to tell you the dry ingredients for the cake, the wet ingredients for the cake, and the ingredients for the sugar syrup. Let me walk you through them. So first we'll need 2 cups of Jamoon mix, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and 1 small pinch of salt. Those were the dry ingredients. Now let me tell you the wet ingredients. We'll need 1.5 cups of oil, 1.5 cups of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of rose extract. Now here's the ingredients for the sugar syrup. First we'll need 1.5 cups of regular sugar, 1.5 cups of water, 10 cardamom pods, 2 teaspoons of rose extract, and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Okay guys, I missed one wet ingredient. It's 2 cups of saffron infused milk. Okay guys, the first step is to put all the dry ingredients into a bowl. First, we're going to add 1 spoon of baking powder. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to add some cardamom powder. Some Jamoon mix. Yeah. Some all-purpose flour. A pinch of salt. Okay. And a spoon of baking powder. Now guys, we're going to mix it up. Okay guys, while my sister mixes the dry ingredients, I preheated the oven to 350 degrees. And now I'll mix the wet ingredients together. The wet ingredients are 1/2 cup of oil, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and 2 spoons of rose extract. Okay guys, now I'll mix them together. Okay guys, I'm done mixing the wet ingredients, and I think Anvi's done mixing the dry ingredients. Anvi, are you done?
Yes, this is hard work, Becca.
Okay guys, now we'll put the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix them together. Okay. Dry ingredients. Okay guys, Anvi got hurt on her knee, so she's sitting down. Okay guys, now I'm going to add some saffron infused milk into my mixture of ingredients. Now I'm going to mix it a little. Okay guys, I'm going to add how much saffron milk I need very slowly, and when it's like soft enough to pour into the cupcake mold, we can stop adding the saffron milk and pour it in. Okay guys, I'm done mixing the batter. Now I will fill it into the cupcake mold halfway. Okay guys, I'm done putting the batter into the cupcake pan. Now I'm going to put it in the oven for 35 minutes. Yummy, the Gulab Jamoon cupcakes smell really good. Yeah, that's right, they're done baking. I checked if they're done, and they are, but they're really hot. So while we let them cool, can you guys guess what we're making next? If you guys guessed sugar syrup, you guys are right. Anvi, you can turn on the stove now. Okay guys, now we're going to put in the ingredients to make the sugar syrup. First, I'll put in some water. That was half a cup of water. Now I'm going to pour half a cup of sugar. Because it's sugar syrup. Oh. Okay. It's actually 1.5 cup of sugar and 1.5 cup of water. And now I'm going to put some cardamom in. And some rose extract. Okay guys, once the mixture starts to get sticky, you can turn off the flame and then add 1 spoon of lemon juice. Okay guys, the sugar syrup is sticky. Now let me off the light. Okay guys, now I'm going to add some lemon juice. I'm going to mix it together. Okay guys, now I'm going to pour the sugar syrup on the jamoon cakes. Okay guys, now I'm going to pour the sugar syrup onto the jamoon cakes, but be very careful, the sugar syrup is very hot. And these jamoon cakes can last 3 days in room temperature. Okay guys, I'm done putting the sugar syrup on all of them. Now, let's taste one. But be careful, they're very hot. Yum! That was super good, and you guys should try it too. Okay guys, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Oh, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the like button. See you guys in the next video. Bye! To tell you the dry ingredients for the cake, the wet ingredients for the I trying to remember. Okay guys, I missed one wet ingredient. Okay guys, I missed two ingredients. Okay guys, I missed one Why do I can't do it? Wet. Okay.
Cupcakes smell really good.
While we let them cool, can you guys